Good morning everybody, Waifu King here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create and customize your expressions for your live 2D model. For today's video we're going to be using this model here from the summer skin collection because there's plenty of parameters we can mess around with. So first we're going to start by opening up the settings of Vtube Studio and heading to the hotkey section. Next we're going to hit the expression editor. Inside here you'll probably see a bunch of expressions set up by your rigger. Yours will definitely look different than mine. Underneath the title, you'll see the number of parameters affected by each expression. For my sad one here, there are 0 parameters set up, so this is not set up at all. We're gonna go ahead and do it now. So I'm gonna click on that, hit select, and in this dialog box, you can turn on or off whatever parameters you'd like to be affected by that expression. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on depress, and once you click it on, there'll be a slider here. And the slider will adjust the intensity of the parameter. So we're going to go ahead and turn that one all the way up and then press save. We can exit out of this window and now we can add the expression to the model. So here we're going to create a new hotkey by scrolling all the way down to the bottom and pressing the plus button, creating a new one. We're going to name it sad and give it a hotkey action. For this we're going to use set unset expression. Under the expressions, we're going to choose the emote that we just set up, which was sad. Go ahead and hit select, and then we're going to add a hotkey for this. So I'm going to hit record and then press M. So now when I press M, you'll notice that the character is sad. Pretty simple. Now let's take it a step further, and I'm going to show you how to make a customized emote. Go ahead and scroll back up to the top and open up the expression editor again. And this time we're going to click Create New Expression. Inside of here we can decide what we want this expression to do. I'm going to name this one cry face, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to look for the parameters that we want to affect. So I'm going to choose exp cry, turn that up. As you can see now she's crying. Here we'll zoom in so you can see her face. And let's go ahead and turn on squint eyes. We're going to crank that up. So now when she's crying, it's a combination of squint eyes and the cry face. And we're going to hit save. Actually, one more thing we're going to do. Let's go ahead and say that when we want to cry, we also want to turn the halo off. So I'm going to turn that on and turn this slider down, and then we're going to hit save. Just like before, we're going to scroll down to the bottom, add a new hotkey, name this one cry face, add the unset set expression like before. And we're going to find our cry face expression we just made, hit select, give it a key that we want to use. We'll just use N for this time. Go ahead and press N, and now the expression you just created is accessible with just a click of a button. Alright, the last thing that I want to show you is that you can actually trigger your expressions with your hand tracking. Scroll down a little bit in the same section and you'll find gesture triggers. Go ahead and click on that. Pick which hand position you'd like to use to trigger the effect. We're going to go ahead and click right here in the middle so it uses the left and the right hand on the peace sign, and we're going to click OR so it can use either hand to trigger it, and press OK. Next, we're going to head over to our camera setting and make sure our hand tracking is turned on. I have it turned on. I have it set to only hand tracking because my face tracking is being done by my cell phone. Go ahead and put up the hand in the position that you chose for your gesture control and watch as your emote gets triggered. This is super handy because you don't have to press any buttons anymore to trigger your emotes. And with that, you now know how to set up and customize your expressions with hotkeys. I hope this video was able to help. If you have any questions, hop by in the Discord. You can find me in there, ask any questions. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Later.